Hi, good morning. I am here to launch a new course on Java. There may arise a new question in your mind that there are thousands of courses available on the internet. Then why the need of another course? Actually, the answer is that when I have tried to learn Java from online resources, the problem that I have faced is that after learning those things from the platforms, there built a confidence inside me that I know almost everything in Java. But after researching a lot, I have found out that I didn't even know 1% of Java. Then why the need of learning and giving so much of time? Then I have decided to follow a book. The book that I have followed is The Complete Reference Java. It is one of the best book that is taught to the students by many good universities. And after learning the Java from that book, I have decided that I will launch a course on Java so that I can teach whatever I have learned through this book and many other resources to the students or any person in the world so that he can learn Java completely. Why the need of a complete course, right? Actually, in this era of AI, artificial intelligence, the small task or easy tasks can be handled by the AI easily. But what is the importance of human being for critical thinking? And to think critically, you should have the basic understanding of Java. The You have to understand deeply through its concept. So for that reason, I have launched this code. Follow up with me, and I think so that at the end of the course, you can also teach Java to anyone in the world. So be with me, and I will ensure that I am ensuring you that your time is going to be properly utilized by me. Let's introduce to our course. Introduction to Java. History of Java. Java was created by James Gosling and his team at Sun Microsystems in the early 1990s. This project, originally called ORC, was intended for embedded systems. Embedded systems for is it is I have I thought so that you have almost everyone have heard the name Arduino, and that can doing many works with those things are called embedded systems and home appliances, the smart homes. However, due to the rise of internet, the team pivoted towards developing a language suitable for network environments. Network environments, the systems that will run networking, that will be connected to a network. In 1995, Java was officially released, quickly gaining popularity due to its platform independent nature. The most important thing in Java is that platform independency. We will learn how Java is platform independent. Java timeline. If you really want to remember it, take a screenshot and you can remember this. Need for Java. This is important. Before Java, languages like C and C++ were dominant. Even today C and C++ are widely used. They are so much powerful in that time. So why the need of another language? Though there are two languages who were so much powerful, actually they had limitations. They were not platform independent. And in when the internet was about to rise, at that time a language was needed for platform independency, because in a network many computers will be connected and it will be running on many kind of operating system or many kind of system softwares. The problem is that they cannot be controlled, they cannot be run, the resources on the internet cannot be run on every systems. That's why they have created Java for platform independency. How it is platform independent? Yeah, platform independency. Java's most important thing is that it is platform independent. Write ons run anywhere. If you write a Java code in your system, it can be run on any system in the world through the Java Virtual Machine (JVM). Java object oriented approach. Java follows object oriented approach totally. The whole thing in Java is classes and objects, which makes it modular, reusable, and scalable. Security. Java provides a secure in runtime environment with built-in security features. What is this runtime environment? JRE, Java Runtime Environment. Automatic memory management. The garbage collector in Java handles memory deallocation automatically. The problem with C++ and C that when you allocate memory for any variables in the runtime dynamically, you have to free that memory after the execution of your code. But in Java, there is a function or a special thing called garbage collector. What it does, when you create an object, after that after when the your code is running, when the garbage collector sees that that object is no need in the future, then the garbage collector does just deallocates the memory for that objects. Thus everything done in Java is dynamically. You don't have to do anything by yourself. You don't have to put any code. In C, you know that you have to you have to call a thing called free or something in C++, etc., etc. Multi-threading support. Java allows multiple threads to run simultaneously, enhancing performance. Multi-threading is one of the most important part of Java. I will discuss it in our future lectures. Rich API libraries. Java offer extensive libraries for networking, data structure, and GUI, graphical user interface development through applets and many other things. Wide usage. Java is mostly used in enterprise applications, mobile app development in Android. And the two major languages that are used in Android development is Java and Kotlin. Almost 2 billion devices in the world is running Java, web applications, and a little bit of AML integration. Why Java? As I have told you that you can create Java GUI applications, scientific applications. For many mathematical computation, Java are used. Enterprise applications, for enterprise level applications, Java is widely used because of its strong community, Spring Boot, and many other microservices, web applications, mobile applications. The two most popular languages for mobile application is Java and Kotlin. Kotlin is recently introduced by Google, but Java is widely used for Android development till right now. Web services, web server applications, Java architecture, JVM, Java Virtual Machine, JRE, Java Runtime Environment, and JDK, Java Development Kit. What are those things? Java Virtual Machine, Java Runtime Environment, Java Development Kit. Okay, what is JVM? The Java Virtual Machine is the core component that enables Java program to be platform independent. It covers Java bytecode into machine-specific code at runtime. Executes Java bytecode. Then Java Runtime Environment. JRE just provide a runtime environment, a secure runtime environment to run the Java code, Java source code, and JRE includes JVM. And in the Java Development Kit, everything is included for maintenance and building and running is Java source code. Actually, what happens when you write a source code in Java, your source code is compiled by Java compiler JavaC. It is compiled into bytecode, and that bytecode can be compiled. Then bytecode can be translated into machine source code by using JVM, Java Virtual Machine. How these things are does? Um, you know that every machine has its own source code, machine code. So the machine code that your system has and your friend system has, two are different. The system code that can run on your system cannot be run on your friend's system. And this is how the Java platform independency come. Because suppose that you have run a code, you have made a code, you have made a program, and you have compiled it, and it is compiled into Java bytecode. That bytecode can be run on any system who has JVM, because JVM knows how to convert that bytecode into your machine understanding code. Okay. And JDK is the total environment. JDK, Java Development Kit. It has development tools like Java, JConsole, etc. And JRE, Java Class Library, Java Runtime Environment. Inside the JRE, JVM. Actually, the whole thing is included in JDK. You download the JDK and everything is provided in there. Features of Java. Java offers several powerful features that make it preferred choice for developers. Okay, simple Java syntax is almost similar to C++. So if you are switching from C or C++, then it is so much easy for you to switch into Java. Object oriented, everything in Java is treated as an object. It is totally class and object approach. Portable, Java bytecode can run on a device if that device has JVM installed, that I have told you. It makes it portable. Platform independent, it is also almost, it is the same thing. Secure, what, how does Java runtime environment provides security? Java has built-in security mechanisms like bytecode verification and runtime check in the Java runtime environment that checks bytecode verification, that check bytecode. Robust, Java is so much powerful. Java handles exceptions effectively. Exception handling, it is called. Multi-threading, high performance. Although C and C++ was so much powerful, Java is not that much fast, but that much fast. I didn't have mentioned that much powerful, though not that much fast, but Java is more used in recent time than C or C++. But why? Because of its platform independency, distributed computing, and these are the features of Java. Object oriented, simple, secure, platform independent, robust. Robust means powerful, portable, portability, platform independency, architecture neutral, everything dynamic, interpreted, high performance. The two important thing is that it is object oriented and it is platform independent. The two important thing that you need to remember always. Java installation, how to install Java? First of all, you go to Oracle JDK download page. Okay, as my system is running on Mac OS, I would go for Mac OS, and my system is Mac M1, so I would download ARM64 DMG installer. And if you have Intel based Mac, then you should have done, you have to download x80 as x64 architecture, same as Linux. If you have ARM based chip, then you should download ARM64, or you have x86 architecture or x64 architecture, then you have to download these things, these three. And ARM, and for ARM these two. And Windows, you have just option for x64 or x86 install architecture. You just download it. Suppose that I am running on Mac DMG installer, I download it. Okay, it is installing, though because I have installed it in my system, I would not install it twice. After installing it, the next thing I would do, go to my page, and the ID, integrated development environment, you can use that IntelliJ IDEA. It is so much good. Eclipse, NetBeans, and Visual Studio Code. The two IDE that I used to run Java code is IntelliJ IDEA and Visual Studio Code. But my prefer is going to be Visual Studio Code. If you don't, if you find Visual Studio Code a little bit complex, then you can go with IntelliJ IDEA. How to install Visual Studio Code? Okay, go to the Visual Studio page. Same as here, if you have Apple silicon chip, then you go for silicon. And for ARM base and every option, whatever you need, just download it and install it. After installing, you would have this, you would see a window like this one. Okay, there you will go for open folder. You just click wherever you want to create the folder. New folder, suppose that I want Java 1, because I have created Java previously. Java 1, open. Okay, then you have need also some extension. For extension, Java, you install code runner, then install Java platform, extension for Visual Studio Code by Oracle, debugger for Java. These three things is enough for you right now. Okay, after installing all of these things, go for there. You just click here, first Java, Click yes, your first program has been created. Okay, this is how you can install this everything in Visual Studio Code, the same page. Thank you. In conclusion, whatever I have learned, or whatever we have learned, the how Java is platform independent, we would teach you the concept JVM, JRE, JDK in our next lecture briefly, so that you can answer any question about this. And you know that in many interview questions, this for three things are asked widely for Java. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.